Scots. Welcome back. We missed you. We love you. We have another assembly today. And Jake, if you want to introduce our first speaker.
Hi, everybody. So our first speaker of the day is Will Adams, and he will be saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Will.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which I stand, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
So then now we'll have Jessica say the honor code for us.
As a member of St. Andrew's School, I pledge my honesty, academic integrity, sportsmanship, and stewardship to the school community, and I expect others to be responsible and to do the same. Honor above all.
And here is Mr. Glick with a bookstore announcement.
All right, St. Andrew's School, guess where I am? I am in the bookstore. I'm one of the only people actually that's allowed in here. And just because you can't come in doesn't mean that you can't buy the things that we have on sale. We've got fingers, we've got visors, we've got all these great shirts that you might want to wear. Oh, and now we have Mr. Glick modeling this amazing polo shirt, so you might want that as well. But more importantly, we've got paper clips, we've got pens, pencils, notebooks, all the school supplies that you could want. Now, how do you access these things? Well, there's two ways. You could always email bookstore@standrews.net, but what's even better is if you just come over here, curbside, there's a number on the door. Call that number, and somebody here at the bookstore is happy to help you, and it's all curbside pickup. So anything that you see here, or anything that you could possibly need that's related to St. Andrews apparel or school supplies, we can provide that for you here at the St. Andrews Scots Corner bookstore. All right, so we hope to see you real soon, or not see you so much, but we hope to hear from you on the phone, through the email. It's time to get your stuff. It's time to get your gifts. It's time to get your notebooks, your pencils, your pens, anything, your paper clips, whatever you want, it's here for you. All right, St. Andrews, go Scots. And remember, go Scots. And don't forget, go Scots. All right, see you soon.
Okay, so I have a football announcement on behalf of Coach Robertson. He said if anyone is interested in playing varsity football this year, please reach out to him. His email is above. And also the varsity football team is looking for a few team managers and student coaches. So again, reach out to him if anybody's interested.
And now a water filling announcement. I'm pleased to announce that we can now fill our water bottles at the automatic water dispensers in Cohen. Not the water fountains, but the automatic dispensers. You know what I'm talking about. It's the healthy thing to do. Hey seniors, we have a great conference opportunity for you from Ms. Shaw Payne. Applications for Mount Holyoke's Focus on Diversity program are now live. This year's virtual program, held October 24th through 25th, is designed for high school students of color, as well as those who have championed diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives at their school. Please see Ms. Shaw Payne for details if you are interested.
Okay, so here's a little homecoming update, theme update. We did get the votes, and thank you everyone for voting. We are so excited to announce the themes for every grade. So we will do that momentarily, and I just wanted to mention that look forward to a different message in the near future about the plan for homecoming this year. That will be coming out soon. But for the themes, we have the funky freshmen, the sleepy sophomores, the James Bond juniors, and last but not least, the seniors in space. So yeah, get excited for homecoming and be proud of your themes and represent your grade.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, do you have fun? Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, you're the one.
Okay, so we have a new idea. It's to celebrate everyone's birthdays. I know September is a big month, and we know that a lot of birthdays may pass, like mine passed too, don't worry. In summer birthdays, everybody will get a chance. We'll mention everyone at one point. But we have our little wheel over here, and it's going to spin of the possible birthdays for this week. And then whoever it lands on is going to get a special visit from the birthday fairy. So, Mr. Glick, let's spin the wheel. Let's see who it is. Oh my gosh, it's Sophia. It's Steve. Happy early birthday, Sophia. I know you have the same birthday as Mr. Glick, so happy birthday to Mr. Glick too. And let's go over and see what happens with the birthday fairy and Sophia.
Oh, hello, boys and girls. I am the birthday fairy. I am here to give some lucky person a wonderful bag of St. Andrews hand sanitizers and stuff, and all kinds of wonderful gifts. Then let me see who has a birthday this week. Oh, I think we found one. We have a birthday, Miss Sophia. You get a present from the birthday fairy. And a happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Why, maybe some of you students will be visited by the birthday fairy. So keep a lookout and you will get some wonderful gifts. That is all for me, guys. That's all.
Yo, I want to visit from the birthday fairy. That sounds awesome. Happy birthday, Sophia, and everybody else who is celebrating. All right, now for our Ents video, starring a few seniors this year, but from a few years ago. The music video features Amaya Arizmendi, Paisley Herman, Claire Notman, Sam Tholke, and Abby Kinman when they were in 5th grade. Here's Time Machine Monday.
Since my heart is golden, I've got sense to hold in. Tempted just to make an ugly scene. No, I'm not as proper. My money's in copper, ripped down from the brownstones to the street. Listen, I'm your friend, don't quote me, but not a friend worth noting. Yes, please don't ever note me as your friend. Who says we have cold hearts, acting out our old parts? Let's perform my favorite little scene. Oh, oh, oh. I get carried away from you. And I'm broken and I'm brave, 'cause I'm sorry about that. Sorry that
we have been having an absolute blast hosting assembly and getting to talk to you guys. And we really want to get as many people involved as possible. If you want to be involved, like be a host like me and Jake, or have an idea, an announcement, anything you want included in our Monday assembly, reach out to Mr. Glick or anyone on Suco, and we will be more than happy to get you involved. It's great to see new faces, especially with our Pledge of Allegiance and our Honor Pledge, just getting more and more people involved. So other than that, we hope this was super informative, fun, and a nice little break in the school day for you. And we will see you next week. Bye. Go Sky.
Good luck.